Are you just one step away from breaking through the Great Firewall of China, a system that restricts and controls internet access? Let's see how you can do this with the help of VPN and proxies. In this guide, we are using Zook VPN, a service that keeps your data safe from hackers. Go to their official website, download the app for your OS and register. Once you verified all the info, open the app and choose a VPN region for a connection. The selected VPN location should be identical to your proxy's location. One of the tips is choose Singapore as your VPN location for its more relaxed internet regulations. Adjust the Zook VPN settings before entering China to prevent service issues. Go to Settings, change Protocol to Shadow, scroll down to Preferences, change Region to China. Now it's time to link to the proxy using DataImpulse. If you are new to DataImpulse, click the link below this video to get started. Let's try to set up proxies in Google Chrome. The first step is to open Settings in Chrome. Next, under the System section, click Open your computer's proxy settings. If you use macOS, open System Preferences and click Network. Select the network you are connected to, usually it's Wi-Fi. Check the box for Web Proxy and Secure Web Proxy. Enter the proxy server address and port from your DataImpulse account. Click OK and then Apply. In case you use Windows, open the Settings app, go to Network and Internet, then click Proxy. Under Manual Proxy Setup, toggle the switch to On. Enter the proxy IP address and port number from your DataImpulse account. Click Save. After configuring the proxy, Chrome will use it automatically. Visit any website to verify your IP matches DataImpulses. And that's it. If the proxy is not working, double-check the IP, port and credentials. Zook VPN connection must be active before testing the proxy. In fact, businesses in China rely on proxies to bypass strict online restrictions, manage e-commerce on platforms like AliExpress and Taobao, handle social media accounts, and conduct market research. With the help of VPNs and proxies, individuals can protect their browsing habits, hide their IP addresses, and not be monitored by government. If your goal is to maintain a safe and private online environment, consider DataImpulse. Get in touch and we will provide a custom solution for you. Thanks for watching and hope to see you in the next guide.